Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls and the hurt start thinning. And the more you push, see the fast start trimming. Till you're the only one standing up straight, winning all.
No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill.
Tonight I feel absolutely glorious. To get savage.
To get red.
Let's get started.
So, are you all up for this?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's beat up this son of a bitch.
It's mega time.
Mega Strikers, a Fortnite fan short.
Now playing.
You know, Leo, there's a million different ways we could have got here. I know, but that would have taken days. And this is much faster. Alright? Now stop being so scared, okay? This is a drop. Come on. Now this is what I'm talking about. Deadweb never said anything about this.
Ready yourself, Caras. The guns have finally decided to attack.
Wait. Stan, it's me.
Leo Minor, what brings you to our village?
Well, you see, Stan, it's your turn to show the JWS galaxy where you live.
I see. Well, in that case, welcome to the Parrot clan.
Cool, this is nice. And who is this? A noble god, I presume?
How dare you, Leo Minor? Do you not recognize him? This is Caras.
Oh, he took the mask off. I didn't know he did that.
Solo cuando regreso a mi pueblo.
Oh, we apologize, Con. We just are used to seeing you with your mask on. But before we head in, let's head to BD Gamer with the opening announcements.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JWS Wrestling. And here is your commentator for the night, Cizre.
Hello, everybody out there in JWS Galaxy. Welcome back to the JWS Wrestling Show, where we have some exciting matches for you tonight. And I hope you're all excited to see the outcome of these matches. I know I am, and I can't wait for the action to begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the CEO of BDW, YTBD Gamer.
What's going on, sister? Huh?
What's up? How's it going?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Oh, man. This is a lovely good time to be here. Anyway. How are you, JWS Galaxy? And hello to all of the people of the Parrot clan. Thank you for letting us come to your village today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have been told to bring you to your attention that season 12 will be the last time that you will be seeing this show in the format that you have been seeing it in. And in season 13, we will be finally heading into our brand split. That's right, JWS Galaxy, more JWS, more great action. And speaking of action, let's get ready to get pretty. Oh, and by the way, I would like to thank our sponsors. We love y'all and thank y'all for sticking with us. Booyah.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your opening bout, and it is a submissions match. And it is for the #1 contendership for the Power Queen Championship. Introducing first, representing the Dark Disciples, Hydra Mist.
Well, we got Hydra Mist, the newcomer, sister of the voodoo god, Wavius. And she is making her in-ring debut here today for the villagers. Here, we're gonna see what she can do. Hopefully, she can be as strong as her brother is. But what I heard is that she's actually more dangerous than Wavius is.
They do say there's nothing worse than a woman scorned. So.
Hey, Wavius can hear you in trouble. It doesn't matter where we are, okay? That is Wavius' sister. He can hear anything.
Well, I hope.
Be careful what you say, sister. You ain't trying to get in trouble.
Yeah, I don't need no voodoo magic on me.
Yeah, just be careful, okay? I'm not telling you to watch what you say, but be careful, okay?
And her opponent, Azra.
Wow. Azra comes back again for another match time. Huh. I mean, look at this. This is basically the battle of the dark.
Two titans of darkness. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa.
Is on fire. Very powerful energy.
Take it back to you.
That was awesome. That was good. That was good. I can't wait for this match now.
You ready?
Which dark side is taking it home? Is it going to
Get it on. You get that belt.
Hydra Mist?
We're taking the lead.
female, a Jen versus Jen, but dark. Who's gonna take this?
Let's take it out of the corner, girls. Come on.
I think it's going to be about who had the biggest bowl of nails for breakfast this morning. That makes more sense. Bowls of fire. Yeah.
What is Hydra going for? She's already going for it. She's already going for it.
And
run. Oh, she's up. She's up.
Nope.
She's not up.
Nope. She breathes. Or maybe she doesn't breathe, and that's why it didn't work.
Backhand from Hydra Miss as he strikes. As her strikes with a strong attack.
All I know is I wouldn't want to be.
What are they thinking about?
Backhanded by anybody with the name Hydra. Hydra whips.
Oh, now she's got her in the.
Whoa, hold on.
It is a choke fest out there.
2. Oh, she's up.
Oh,
she's up. Nope, she's good. Backhand slap.
It's definitely going to be a demonstration of power. So do you think this is a demonstration of power, a submission match? Because one, it's going to show one stronger than the other, right? Who?
Armbar. Oh, do you give up? You give up. Oh, she's giving up. She's giving up. Ring that bell.
And she tapped out.
She tapping out.
She submitted.
She's your winner. Ezra.
Well, that victory is going to definitely come with consequences, though. Because you know Wavius isn't happy.
Yeah, I'd hate to see a man to lose in the Dark Disciples. Or a gem, I'm sorry. She didn't hear that. She didn't hear that, and I'm not trying to get my hair ripped off. Switch the conversation. Thank you to our sponsors, JWS Galaxy. Hope you're enjoying the show. What's next? What's next?
We'll see you in a few minutes during the next match.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, as you can see, this is the market. This is where we're able to get the best seeds and, of course, worms.
Torches.
Meat? Get your meat here. Hey, man in red. Yeah, you. Come get your meat.
Todos nosotros comemos gusanos, pero sí son buenos. Trátalo.
Oh, no gracias. No gracias.
This is where we spend most of our time making business and finding friends.
Wow. I guess you are quite well known here in the village.
Indeed I am. Now, I must show you my nest. Come along with me.
Sir in tux, come get your meat.
Podemos parar en mi cabaña.
Oh yeah, and I will stop at Caras' hut if you two behave.
Well, cool. That will be very. Out. Don't mind my headache. Ow.
Yeah, let's ignore that.
Let's go.
Let's just continue the tour.
Hey, wait. Hey, get your meat.
Hey, buddy. Will you be able to talk to Mr. PB Gamer about that wrestler's contract?
Oh, yeah, I was. And I also forgot to mention that I'm not just a commentator, but I'm now a JWS wrestler as well.
All right, buddy. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to find ourselves a match. Here's what I was thinking. It's a whole big old shit.
Ain't that a coinky thing?
Here's me.
Real one.
Interrupt my
You
conversation.
hear this, nigga?
I heard it. I heard it. It sounds like y'all looking for a match. Now, we were told to find opponents tonight. And due to the fact that Right One is on a business trip right now, making sure that we get the money.
Right.
It's going to be me, the world champ, and my boy, Sunshine Auto.
Sunshine.
This guy.
Against you two. Blue hair and my boy Leo. Now, I'm going to do y'all a solid. If, and it's a big if, right, Sunshine? Big if. If y'all just so happen to beat us, Sunshine Auto and Right One will give you a tag team title opportunity.
Why the black man have yellow hair?
No, I sound pretty good to me, Right One. Now listen here, y'all two better get ready, cause that match is next, baby.
Good luck. Y'all gonna need
Get
it.
out of here, Right One.
Yeah, get out of here.
Man, back up.
Smells like old tobacco.
Can you believe this right now? We better be ready.
On my way.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the next matchup. And it is a #1 contenders match for the tag team titles. Introducing first, Leo Minor. And his tag team partner, Aaron.
That's right, folks. Leo up there wrestling today with Aaron.
Listen here, Bonnie. You got another thing coming. If you mess with me.
And their opponents. They are the JWS World Champion and one half of the JWS Tag Team Champions, the Street Cred.
Leo Minor and Ark Aaron are going to come up with a cool tag team name. Look at those belts, everybody. Beautiful. And as always, I'm responsible for the belts. Makes me feel proud of my job.
Hey, Sunshine, why don't you kick this off? It's easy.
No sweat, homie.
And this match has begun. Already finding out what the street cred is all about. Apparently his credit isn't good on the street. Ark Aaron taking advantage. Chaos in the ring. Chaos. Utter chaos. This match, exciting as ever. We've got Street Cred, Leo Minor, Ark Aaron. Who's going to take it? I hope the Street Cred can live up to the name and cash these checks. I think they're my favorite for the win here. I don't make these calls. It's all about these men in the ring. Not looking good for Ark Aaron.
Breath. Breath. Check. Breath. Check him. Breath. Check him. mean,
Ark Aaron spending too much time in their corner. And he's paying for it dearly. And a tag. We got Leo Minor in. Let's see if he can turn this around. Over the rope and smashes him. Let's see what we got going on here now.
I really want a body, a body, a body, a body, a body. Puh.
This looks like the end of Ark Aaron. It's not looking good. I think Street Cred has definitely earned their Street Cred. The way they've delivered a beating.
Come on, body rep. This is not easy. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair, body. Huh? No!
Just surprise attack.
My head.
Leo Minor living dangerously in their corner. Street Cred taking advantage of this.
Body, this ain't fair, ref. Get in there, there's mixing. Hey.
Ooh.
That's right. Come on. Come on, Mr. Body.
I cannot believe that they have survived this
That's right. I'm back in the ring.
Ark Aaron and Leo Minor, much tougher than I once believed. Going blow for blow.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh.
Tag.
That's what you got. That's it. Hey, I'd have killed.
Come on, guys, come on.
Poor Leo Minor out there suffering some kind of head trauma.
What's happening?
Watch it.
And Ark Aaron alone in the ring being taken advantage of.
1, 2, 3. Ring the bell.
Folks, Street Cred has taken the victory. Leo Minor
Hey, Sunshine. Sweet.
and Ark Aaron
Sweet.
did not have the credit.
Big. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Dude, come on.
What are you doing to him? They weren't done delivering their butt kicking.
Come on, man. Really? Hey, ref, go grab our belts, man.
That's right. I didn't touch him.
When
I didn't
Street Cred
touch him.
walk
Don't
in
worry.
here, y'all better treat us with respect.
Look at me, wrestles bone, no in between. Fire comes and Bruce sunshine all brings the heat. Real one ain't never been.
That's right, Street Cred. Still kings of the street.
You okay?
Still holding that high credit score.
Get out of here.
Too easy.
Still cashing all the checks.
You guys are...
They take the night through the flames, they find the light. Street Cred strong with all their might, all their might, all their might, all their might, all their might. Little ring, they break the yoke.
Back it up. Come on, man. Back up. Back up.
Never scared to throw it down. Flame to rise, they'll come around. Street Cred kings, they'll wear the crown.
Really?
Jeez.
Well, that was a pretty good effort out there.
Shut up, 6'3". That wasn't supposed to happen.
Well, what did you expect? You challenged one half of the tag team champions and the world champion as your first official wrestling match.
Buenos, bienvenidos a... Un minuto.
Whoa. What is that?
Okay, this might be better.
Oh, we can understand you now.
Yes, it was a gift from Decrypt. A very ironic one because he knows I hate this thing. But if it will help so that you may understand me today. Is it? Welcome to my hut. This is my beautiful wife. We were once in Puerto Rico, but when Mr. Carter brought us over here, Stan, the eagle, showed us where our people was, and he helped us build this hut. It's very small, just one room for now, until the hatchlings come.
Well, I must say for a beginner home, it looks very comfy and homey, but I don't see a meta room in here. So, if you will excuse me. Ow, jeez, this hurts.
Hey, Stan, so what do you got going on out here?
Yes. These are some of the foods we might surprise you in. They are actually cooking our food right now, as you see.
Oh.
Yes.
Come here.
Keep up the good work. Yes.
Hey, the meat's almost through.
Good.
Once it's through, y'all will be eating my meat.
Pollo.
Make sure you glaze that.
Yes, grande pollo, yes.
Please come this way. Relax. I know it looks strange, but these are some of the tribe's greatest deputies. Some of these foods might surprise you. Some might even challenge your stomach. But that's just the fun of it. You see, the tribe believes in testing the limits, both the body and the spirit, in every such dish. Isn't this true?
See.
It has a story and a challenge behind it. Like my favorite, and that is my worms. That I hunted myself, of course.
Oh.
How is it? Is the food almost ready?
It is. It is delightful.
See.
Enjoy it.
Good. Thank you.
All right, I'll just pass on that beetle salad over there, though.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following matchup is a Circle of Fire match. Introducing first, Mayhem Savage.
Mayhem's presence is here. The father of Mordecai, the father of Lumberjack. The animal that was locked away for decades until he was finally released. Made his presence known at Jellymania by taking out the intelligent L. And ever since then, he's now been on the prowl. And right now, he's on a quest to destroy and conquer the entire Earth. You know Mayhem Savage, right?
I've met him before. He's a wonderful man, as long as you stay on his good side.
Sister, that's Mayhem. He's not wonderful.
Oh, Mayhem. I thought you asked if I had ham. No, Mayhem.
No.
Mayhem, no.
Ham is one thing. I will agree with you on that. But Mayhem is dangerous. And the Savage name runs deep. Mordecai Savage, Mayhem Savage, Salvador Savage, or Lumberjack.
That explains the Ring of Fire.
I used to have strings, and now I'm free. I've got no strings on me. And his opponent, he is the JWS Power King Champion, Twisted L.
Yes. I would say Mr. Schizophrenia from this guy right here. It's like a man of many, but this one... Okay, how do I say this? So, you don't know Twisted L like I know. I paid attention, I keep in tune. See, he started off as a regular's dad. Actually, came in, I believe it was season 1, episode 4. Put down his first opponent. Second episode he was in, he put down another opponent. Well, ever since then, he's been on the prowl until he reached Retaliation. When he first started, he was just known as Regular Lestat. I would say the Regular Lestat is a nice guy. But when Retaliation came around, this one made his presence known. This man made his presence known. The newest L, who was called Twisted L. The name you see before you today.
You mean to tell me, on one side of the ring, we have a megalomaniac, and on the other side of the ring, we have a psychotic psychopath?
In the ball.
And I didn't even bring any s'mores.
You didn't bring the s'mores? I thought I told you to bring the s'mores.
I didn't bring the s'mores.
Dang it, sister, it's a strike.
Speaking of things that didn't get brought, how about you not bringing the victory in that last match? Let's talk about that. It did look like you were suffering some kind of head trauma. But, and you're right, Arc Aaron was the one who got pinned.
Yeah, Arc sorted us out. It's his fault, not mine. What the? Okay, I know for a fact Twisted L was supposed to be powerful. He's supposed to stop anybody. Well, Did his punches not hit Mayhem? They hurt everybody, but not why not Mayhem? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
I think Mayhem was just putting on a show, holding his breath there for a minute.
Honestly, I believe. Now, this is an awesome match right here already, and it just got started. Power of the deadly and the dangerous. What's more bad, danger or deadly? Rick, what would you say?
I think I would go with the danger. Because danger can be deadly, and deadly is just deadly.
That is correct facts. I'll go right there on Twitter.
Yeah, it'll be a famous haiku.
Suplex by Twisted L.
And another one. I don't know how many of these Mayhem can take. You may find out tonight.
Wow. But this ring of fire, though. I honestly like this fire. It's coming in. Wow. I actually like this fire. I know I'm supposed to be paying attention to the match. My apologies. I know Mayhem wants me to watch him beat down Twisted L. But I'm just focusing on that fire right now. Hopefully he doesn't hear anything. Well, you can hear me because I have a mic. But
I don't want to be on either of these guys' bad side. So go both of you.
You are a loser to be voting for both. I mean, Sis Rick, you didn't hear that, did you? Just say you didn't hear it, okay? You didn't hear anything, did you?
I didn't hear anything.
Okay. Yes, you did. Don't act like you didn't.
And Twisted L is...
Jesus, this voice won't leave me alone. I don't know what it is, but I'm focused on the match, okay? I got a headache, but whatever. Oh my God, he just hit him with the tribal shield. Jeez, I mean, with the tribal shield, I mean, I think that's for the villagers only. I don't even think that's possible to use. Oh my. Bang.
You guys.
To be honest, Twisted L being undefeated, I will go with Twisted L on this. I will say that.
There is a first time for everything. Like I said, I don't want to be on anyone's bad side. So there is no first time.
As much as I see from Twisted L, I believe he got this. You see, it's like me and him have a thing in common. To be honest.
Well, if we're talking
That's
about the lesser of two evils here, then yes, I guess Twisted L, I would prefer to see him win over Mayhem Savage. But then again, Mayhem Savage might barbecue me later on for saying that. I don't want to be barbecued.
That's not what I was talking about. I mean, you didn't hear anything.
Cosmetic stampede.
Cosmetic what? Cosmetic
it's
stampede.
The cosmetic stampede.
What is that? Whoa. Oh my.
It is
devastating. Call for a train. Did you call for a train ride? I don't think you did.
I didn't call for no Amtrak.
Yeah, there ain't no tracks to be seen here in this match today. And plus, they would have to cancel it anyway because due to a burnout. Get it? Ring of fire, burnout, train. I don't even know if train tracks can burn out. but they do know how to.
That's a good question.
He's got the dangerous weapon of the tribe. Ooh, and there goes Twisted Ale. Wow. It's like, what the? Where did it go? Where did that weapon go? You see power from both people just to, oh, that's where it went. It went exactly out of the atmosphere and disappeared out of the world. That's how, you see that? People like that, that's how I know people are like that are strong. Very strong. Like on
over
the scale,
the top rope.
I'm gonna say this, Rich. On a scale from 1 to 10 on how this match is right now, between these two gentlemen, it's hell out here right now. It'll be a cold day in hell.
Into the fire?
It's like it'll be a cold day in hell if the big man sleeps to ever fight.
I told
like
you, you should have believed. And curses.
And right now, it's frozen over. Oh my God! He threw me to the fire.
He's burning him.
What? Wait a minute.
He cooked him alive. I can't believe it. You were right, Mr. Savage here is no one whose bad side you want to be. I definitely don't want to end up barbecue.
I mean, I'm shocked that I had it on Twisted Ale. Twisted Ale's been undefeated for these years.
Now I've got a dragon to focus on.
He's always been undefeated, but how did I thought he would win this. I believe he can win this.
There must be something about these flames.
Wow. Twisted Ale. I know the stuff that you have.
He's looking a little burnt out there.
I don't think Twisted Ale like that. Hey, Twisted Ale. I still like you as a wrestler. I still like you as my favorite. Dust yourself off. You're still champion. I still like you as a wrestler. Yeah. I'm just a commentator. I'm just doing my work.
For me.
I'm still unimpressed. What the? No. Yes, man. We don't need their presence over here just because it's your village. I don't. No. Somebody got to stop him. Somebody's got to stop him.
I will make sure.
I'm cashing in the diamond in the sky.
What a time to choose.
Yes, a twisted spike. Get to Stan. He says, not today. Stan said, I'm cashing in. But Twisted Ale said, not so.
Very bad.
Twisted Ale knows how to stay.
Never mind. I'm not cashing in. You can forget about it.
Stan making
the right decision. Right decision, actually.
Good
I
decision.
mean, that's
now.
Twisted Ale in the ring.
Rings and now I'm free. I got no strings on me.
No strings on him. Twisted Ale shall be the main L's out of all 6. Twisted is already taking the throne. Even if he's not champion, he's still taking the throne. But seems he's burnt out. So now, I don't know where he's going to find a medic. But I hope they give him some good treatment. That'll fix it. But let's not forget, he is psychotic, so he may be useful to the burning.
That still couldn't have been fun.
He does laugh at pain. Wow. What a wonderful... No. Let's just get real. This is a wonderful match. 1 out of 10, this is a hell of a match. I don't see Satan anywhere, but this match was hell. Hell broke loose. It said hell all over it.
Especially with those fire flames there. Could not almost felt the flames over here on the commentator table.
I'm still upset because you forgot to bring the s'mores.
Oh, I did forget the s'mores.
Oh. Okay, I thank every single sponsor. Thank y'all for sticking with us since day one. It's been Leon Miner with my commentating partner right here.
Good night, JWS Galaxy. We'll see you next week.
It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill, to make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Get ready to fight and be ready to kill.
Greetings, outsider. I am Chief Onyx. Tocando. I saw your power in the battleground. I have come to ask for a favor.
So away.
I wasn't in the ring today, but whatever. Squirrel.
Wait.
Calm down. See, it's gone.
This is my son, Mongol.
I'm Mongol.
He is not very bright or strong, but if you were to take him under your wing, maybe one day he can make for a good warrior and bring honor to our village like Stan and Caras. Huh?
I like pizza.
Please help us.
I guess I can teach him something. I'll teach him how to be a good boy. He'll be a good boy. Yep.
You mean warrior?
Yeah. Whatever. Squirrel.
Where?
Gentlemen, I have left the best for last. This is my nest. I take pride in this. I've been building it since I was a teenage eagle. These are my worms. I love my worms. And let me show you where I sleep. Follow me. Watch your step. This is where I sleep. You know how I had to pick the biggest branch in the nest? That's right.
Well, Stan, if you sleep up here, what is this bed for?
This bed. Wow, Sisrick. You don't know a guest room when you see one, now do you?
It was a little hard to tell, this being a studio apartment at all.
Studio nest, Sisrick. Studio nest.
Okay, studio nest. Well, folks, you heard it here first. Here in the JWS Wrestling Galaxy. All the exciting news about the Parrot Colony and where Stan the Eagle lives. And next week, we got an exciting episode. We're going to visit the gems and we're going to see all of their secrets. And I'm very excited to hear about that and see how that goes.
Wait, also forgetting the one most very important thing, Sistrix. Well, the gems will be hosting the first PLE of the season, Honor of the Fallen. The episode where we pay tribute to the fallen soldiers who fought to keep this company alive like it was today.
Well, talk about killing two birds with one stone. That'll be all, folks. Good night.
It's been Leo, it's been Sistrick, and it's been Stan in his yuck. It literally smells like mud in here. I'm not gonna lie. Bye. How do I get out of this mess? Bye. How do I get out of here?